Hey guys, this is Julie. I'm going to redo the last video walking you through creating a Blackbird template. I made some changes to the order set C to get this to work. The shortcut that I was trying to use did not work, so my apologies. I should have tested it before recording. So basically, order set A and B are going to be the same from the last video, but I'll walk you through it real quick. You put the entry signal up top, the lesson 2 high vol 2, and order set A is a plain market entry. The profit target, you click on the initial placement, you add the PT2 indicator and change it to time range 8:30 to 8:45. We're testing a 15-minute bar. So that gives you the first 15 minutes of the opening range. And we're going to put dot 34. We're taking 1/3 of that range, thereabouts. And order set B, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put the PT indicator down here. Time range 8:30 to 8:45. This time it's a negative dot 34. And that is it for order set A, and you're done. Order set B, we're going to change it to 2 contracts, and on the market entry we're going to choose the order status changed from the advanced tab and choose the A profit target, all filled. That means that when the profit target fills, the order will be placed. Then to cancel after, you go in and add another order status changed. Add order status changed. And this time, if the stop loss gets hit before the profit target, it will cancel this trade and it won't get filled. If it does get filled, then we want to go ahead and do the same profit targets, 8:30 to 8:45. And of course, you can modify this when you're doing your own testing. Maybe you want to put it at 0.20, or maybe you want to put it at 0.25 or 0.23 or 0.382 or whatever number you want. The point is that you can make your own risk and reward and test it. And then do the same for the bottom stop loss. Time range 8:30 to 8:45. The calculate is open, by the way, for all of these. Calculate on the range open, and that was minus 34. On the trailing action, we do want to click on order all field and change it to order status changed. So we're going to get this at the top, and if it says A stop loss, so if this stop loss gets filled, then we're going to cancel this order set B down here. So the cancellation comes down here, and this is where I messed up the order set C. So order set C is going to be the same as the previous video. In A, we're going to go in here and place after. We're going to choose our order status changed. We're going to choose profit target B if the profit target gets filled for the order status changed, and the stop loss. Profit target and stop loss of B, and the mode is any. And then, so the mode is any. And then for the cancel after, we're going to cancel after the B stop loss from set B. So add your order status changed, put it B stop loss, and the OCO entry here is the same, and the OCO entries here is the same. You would have copied this order set B to make C, but on C, For the trailing action, this is what I left off this last video. This is what you need to add. And you'll click two trailing rules. See, I just clicked another one. I don't need it, so I'm going to delete it. But click Add Trailing Rule. And on the trigger on, you're going to choose Order Status Changed, B, Stop Loss, Order Status B, the stop loss. And then for the action, you change it to Cancel Order. And then you're going to add a trailing rule again. You're going to put a second one on there. And you're going to say A, stop loss. So if B or A stop loss gets hit, we're going to cancel the order. So this is the part that I left out. A stop loss and B stop loss need to be in this trailing action on order set C. And with that, I'm telling you, the template works. I forgot that last part, guys. So now you just save and close, and I've already been testing it out and it works fine. I'll show it to you. So you enter an order, go short, and you can see that you've got your stop loss and your profit target. This is set up for a 15-minute time frame. And then I'm just bringing this in. Hopefully it'll get filled. I'm not confident that it will, but if that gets filled, hopefully that'll work out so that you can see it. There, see, it triggered my second order. So we got the second order, and let me see if I can get lucky and get it to do it one more time. If it hits this one more time, it's just going to cancel it. It'll take the profits and cancel it. I drug it up. And tap that. Tap it, tap it, tap it. Come on, get in there. One more time, please. Get in there. Okay, good. See, it filled it. That was it. So it's over. Everything's done. So that's exactly what you want to see. The template is working. You can move those flags up and down when use it as an auto trading system, but when you're discretionary trading and having it on, it takes a trade. Don't hesitate to move the flags or hit the close button, and try to monitor your trade that way. You can also use your order monitor here and monitor the trades and get out of the trades over here as well. But that will be some Blackbird training that you need to do, and Zach can hook you up with that. But the template does work this way. My apologies. It was adding the order set A or B stop loss to this order set C in the trailing action. Okay. And that will do it. So we get the fabulous results with this template, and you can use your own risk management and other trend filters. Thank you so much. Hope you all have a great weekend.